Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to check fingerprint sensor is not working in Samsung Galaxy A17, A37 or A57. If you're using Galaxy A17, A37 or A57 and you're facing the issue that your fingerprint sensor isn't working, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you can try to clean your fingerprint sensor to make sure that there's no any dust or dirt on your fingerprint sensor. You can also retry to clean it, and I also recommend you have to try to clean your finger here, like if you're using this finger, so you can completely clean it from here. You can also get a wash of this because sometimes it might be that you might have any dirt or dust on your fingers, so you might unable to use your fingerprint. But if you're still facing the same issue, so I also recommend if you're using a cover case of your phone, so you can also try to remove that. If you're still facing the same issues, you can go ahead to your settings app here, and in settings just go to security and privacy here. Click on it, click on lock screen, and just try to re-add your fingerprint. You can remove your previous fingerprint setup and add a new one, or you can also add a new fingerprint sensor without removing the previous one, so it might help you to fix your issue. But if it's still not fixed your issues, you can go to your settings app here again, go to software update, and make sure that your phone have an pending software update, because sometimes it might be if your phone have any pending software update, you might get these five specific errors. So you have to make sure that you might have an pending software update here. So once you have done, your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, you can try to scroll in the control center, click on this power icon, click on restart, and try to restart your phone. Once you have restarted, your issue will be fixed and you will not get this issue again. But if you are still facing the same issue, so I recommend you have to make sure that your fingerprint sensor is not physically damaged, because sometimes it might be that if your fingerprint sensor is physically damaged, so you're unable to use your fingerprint. You can also go ahead to your settings app here again after resetting. Go to settings here, go to device here, and here you must see the diagnostics. Click on it, and here just click on app diagnostic here or phone diagnostics. Just wait for this loading, then click on phone diagnostics, and here you might see your fingerprint sensor, or your sensor is a fingerprint sensor. You just have to click on it and just try to check if your fingerprint is working or not. So once I've done, your issue will be fixed and you will not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.